Hello, Ken here today at Ultralight, and today's video is going to be a how-to tip on how to fix the studs or inserts in our popular 80 quarter 20 and 80 38/16 ball mounts. The Cindy guys use these a lot, and periodically the studs or inserts become loose, sometimes by something we did or just use, and they become, they come out. Anyways, there's a couple ways to fix them because I've had a lot of people ask. First way is, if you are not handy and don't want to do it or whatever, just call me 805-485-0233 or email us ulcs@ulcs.com. I'll be happy to replace these things for free, including the shipping. If you're handy, and maybe if you need them like now, there's a couple ways to fix them. So we generally use the 263 red Loctite. If you don't have Loctite around, you could use some kind of an epoxy glue, whatever you have. But what we do is we put a little dab on the end of the threads right here and right here, and then we just take them, thread them in until they stick out 1/4 of an inch. We use a caliper and we set it at 0.250. That way we can just set it down here and get a good idea at the height. Perfect. For the 38/16, guess what? 38 is for 3/8, and this will stick out 3/8 of an inch. Not only is it a 3/8 stud, but what we would do is do 3.75 on the caliper, put our dab of Loctite in there, thread it down until it's the height that we want. Perfect. And just let them sit for a little while until they dry, and then they're ready to go. So like I said, you could either fix them yourself or give us a call. I'll be happy to replace them. Other than that, have a great day and happy filming.